Hello friends, myself Ravi and today I am here to give you my viva on difference between object oriented and object based programming. So before starting, I will tell you what is object oriented. So the language which is based on, or the language which support object oriented procedure, that is called object oriented programming. On the other hand, the language which is partially support, because it support partially means it supports some features of object oriented, that is object based. So we will see the difference. So uh, initially object based and object oriented are little bit same, because there are some minor changes in one language that it can be changed into other. So what is object oriented? Object oriented means the language it support all the features of OOP. OOP means object oriented OOP, object oriented programming. It contains polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, etc. Class object, that is all. In other hand, object based. It also support object OOP concept, but it doesn't support some features. It means it doesn't support polymorphism, inheritance. Why polymorphism? Because what is polymorphism? In polymorphism, we can create same name of methods in single class, but without just changing its we can call parameters. We can make multiple classes of same types. And other that is inheritance. Inheritance means deriving child class from parent class, because it means when we already have one class and we derive another class from that class, that is called inheritance. So object based didn't support that features. The next part, that is object oriented programming. In object oriented programming, we have to create object of the class. When we define a class, we have to create object of every class to call its method or function. If the class is not a static or if the member of class is not static members, so we have to create object of that class. In other hand, object oriented programming already contain predefined object, that is it already contain object of that predefined class. So these are the little function of the or little difference between that language, and I don't think that makes much difference between that both language. So I would like to stop here, and thank you.